For video editing, you can just install UCut video editor app from the Play Store. Click on the new project. So gallery will be opened here. You can select either a photo or video. Here I am going to select 2 videos and click on this arrow. These 2 videos will be joined. The videos are in horizontal form, so you can rotate it by 90 degree. So select the rotate option here. Click on minus 90 degree and the video will be rotated. Now click on the record button so that your audio will be recorded here. I have recorded like this only, you can hear it. Solve the problems on a plain paper and make a video of it. Here 2 quadratic equations are given. You have to solve x and y. 7x plus 6y is equal to 3800. That you convert it into, in terms of x, 7x will be 3800 minus 6y. Now x will be what? It is 3800 minus 6y by 7. Now you have converted x in terms of y. Now substitute this value of x in equation 2. So this will be 3 into 3800 minus 6y by 7 plus 5y is equal to 1750. Now simplify these terms. We will be getting 17y is equal to 850. Now y is equal to 850 by 17, that is 50. Again substitute this value of y in equation 3. That is x is equal to 3800 minus 6 into y is 50 divided by 7. On simplification, we will be getting x value as 500. Now we are going to calculate same quadratic equation with the help of a calculator, that is Casio 991 MS calculator. Click on the mode button. Here you are going to select a equation. For equation 1 is there. How many unknowns are there? Here x and y, only 2 unknowns. So select 2. Afterwards it will ask for the equation. A1 value is 7, B1 value is 6 and C1 value is 3800. Now second equation, that is A2 value is 3, B2 value is 5 and C2 value is 1750. Directly x and y values are displayed on the screen. X value is 500, y value is 50 here. After editing is done, you save the video. It will ask for the resolution. Try to select lower resolution so that file size will be reduced here and save it. The video will be saved in your gallery.